Hey kids, you ever wish you had a handheld vacuum that could help you clean out basically everything? Well, we're gonna check out this guy right here, right now. That's right, boys and girls. This is the Zarimi handheld vacuum. It is brushless. It has high suction power. It has 6-in-1 multifunctional uses. And not only that, it comes with two 21-volt batteries. So let's open this up. We're gonna make some room. Babe, watch it. We're gonna open this up. Hey, check that out. Let's bring in. Everybody see? Okay. Nice zipper case. A little unboxing. And then we're gonna test this thing out. Comes with a nice user manual right here. Okay. Wow, many, many attachments. Extra filter. One already installed. I'm guessing that's the main nozzle. Hey, crevice tool, a brush tool. Yep. There's your charger and two 21-volt lithium ion super powerful batteries, and it even has a power share function. Hey, you can't beat that. All right, let's see, let's put it together. Boom. Pow. That just locks on like that. Let's see. I haven't plugged it in. Wow. Low. Medium. We need to test this out. We're going to test it out right now. All right, we're going to slow it down just a second. We're going to take a look at the actual manual. There is a refund policy. There's a QR code where you can link to that, and it'll talk about what's not covered, what is covered. Tells you everything that comes with it right in there. There are blowing nozzles for it. That's cool. I bet. What do you think? Like that? It's exactly what it is. And it actually shows the install, like how you do it, and how to charge it, all that good stuff. So it's just a simple plug-in, and then it's right there. And it does tell you how to take it apart and clean it. Man, easy. And it says for the filters, you just dump it out, rinse it off, and then let it dry in the sun. You do not do anything special with it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put a couple of attachments in my pockets, and we're gonna go out and we're gonna check out the old, let's see. We're gonna go to the 99 Sonoma, and we are going to test this out live right here, right now. Check that guy out. So if you really need to get in and all right, I think we're loaded up. Going out there right now. First things first, we're going to find a truck that needs some cleaning. And we got the Zarimi handheld vac right here. Oh, look at that. Let's get you in here. Here we go, kids. there, so that's fantastic. Let's put that brush on. Now we're just gonna some dust. A little dent there. That's good. Man, this thing is lightweight. And it really, really did a good job. Let's go talk about what we learned. Man, do you believe that? Look at this thing. I mean, it is, we're gonna see how the cup did. Okay. That out. Just pull that right up. Well, you can definitely see the filter did its job. That's awesome. All right, it says right in the manual how to turn it on and off. I think you saw it. 1 squeeze, low speed, gentle suction for small debris. 2nd, medium speed, ideal for everyday cleaning. And 3, maximum speed for tough jobs. Well, I think you saw how how great it really did. This thing is impressive. I had never used one of these before. I've actually never, I didn't really know that this was an option as far as equipment. And I'll tell you what, if you got a vehicle, if you got anything, you need something just crumbs right off of the edge of the couch or something. Man, that's slick. Man. Of course, there will be a link down in the description. There's going to be a lot of information in that link. I'll tell you what. The Zarimi handheld vacuum, brushless motor. Honest Peyton speed shop approved. You saw it in real time. I hadn't turned it on. I hadn't done anything with it prior to right now. Nothing more to say. Go get one. It's fantastic. Keep on wrenching, kids.